In this video, I'm going to show you 10 ways you can get 4,000 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel. And make sure to watch out for the last one because no one ever tells you about it. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, helping you grow your YouTube channel. So you want 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Now I want to talk a little bit about monetization. First of all, it is a privilege, not a right. A lot of people think that they are due monetization just because they've got the 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers on their channel. But they are not. This, at the end of the day, is YouTube's ball and they can do with it what they like. YouTube are connecting you with people who have paid them a lot of money, i.e. advertisers, so that they can put ads on your videos. That's why YouTube takes a slice of the ad revenue and then shares the rest with you. This is why they've listed the types of content they want to put ads on. And you can see all that information from YouTube's monetization policy. I get asked time and time again by creators who have the 4,000 hours and the 1,000 subscribers why they are not getting monetized enabled on their channels. I will be doing a separate video on what you can do if YouTube refuse monetization on your channel. So make sure to watch out for that coming soon. As I said, monetization is a privilege, not a right. And once you understand that, then you're in a much better position to get monetization enabled on your channel. So how do you get that 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel? Now, I'm not going to talk about being consistent or having great content. I've covered those topics in my previous videos on how to get to 100 subscribers and also how to get to 1,000 subscribers. Links to those videos will be at the end of this video and also in the description below. So tip number one to get your 4,000 hours of watch time is to create evergreen content. No matter what niche you're in, there's certain content that people look for week in, week out. Whether you're in gaming or whether you're in beauty and makeup, whatever your niche, you can actually create evergreen content. Evergreen content for me would be how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, so I can create content like that and it will stay around for a while. So what evergreen content can you create? This will help your videos get discovered in search so that when people are typing into the YouTube search bar, they can come across your content. And the more videos you get found in search, the more views you will get and the more watch time you will get too. Evergreen content is a great way to build up your relationship with YouTube. For 99.999% of channels out there, it will take a while for you to build up that relationship with YouTube so that they promote your content even more. So you need to be consistently uploading great content that goes up every single week until the algorithm or the AI recognizes your content, and then all of a sudden you have this breakout video and then your channel begins to explode. Regularly uploading evergreen content will help you get recognized and searched, will help build up that relationship, and is a great way to get watch time on your channel. The next way to get 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel is with trending topics. What I mean by this, if something has happened in your niche or your world that you can create content around very, very quickly, then trending topics can be a great way to get a massive boost on your channel. This has happened on this channel quite a few times. Back in 2013, when the internet dinosaurs were roaming the internet, YouTube imposed Google Plus on YouTube channels. There was a big uproar for creators that they didn't want to have it on there. YouTube switched this on a Friday morning. My upload schedule was every Tuesday, so I was holding out for the following Tuesday to make my video. But more and more people were getting angry with YouTube that they had Google Plus forced on them on their channel. So I was trying to hold out as much as I could, but on the Saturday I made a video on how to disconnect Google Plus from your YouTube channel. Because this was a hotly searched topic on YouTube, the video went crazy. I had thousands of views on that video. Now I probably missed out on another 5,000 or 10,000 views on that, but as you can see, in the space of a year, it brought in more than enough to get monetization enabled on my YouTube channel all by itself. A more recent case of this was with lockdown. With more and more people using Zoom, Zoom was one of the tools that took off. People searching for how to use Zoom went through the roof. Creating a video around this topic has not only brought in a lot of views and loads of watch time, it also has brought in a considerable number of subscribers to this channel, all in a very short period of time. So watch out for trending topics in your niche. Be ready to create content around that, and you can see a dramatic increase in the watch time on your YouTube channel. The next way to get that 4,000 hours of watch time is by looking at what content is already successful on your channel. Looking at your analytics will show what videos are getting more views and what videos are getting more watch time, and also which ones are bringing in more subscribers. Some videos will get more views and more watch time, some videos will get more subscribers. So find those videos and then create more content like that. Linking to the new videos from your older successful videos will help increase watch time. We'll also get more suggested traffic on your content, increase your session watch time as well, and get to that 4,000 hours a lot quicker. By giving your audience more of what they like on your channel, then you will dramatically increase your watch time. The next way to get that watch time on your channel is by increasing the numbers of views per viewer. If you're getting 1 view per viewer on average on your YouTube channel, then by increasing this by 50% or even doubling it, you can dramatically increase the watch time on your channel. So how can I do this, I hear you ask? Great question. Number of ways you can do this is by adding cards on the end of your videos. And not just by putting cards up there with any old video, have a logical next video for them to watch from the video they are currently watching. In the case of this video, one option for me could be how to get 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, because with 4,000 hours of watch time, you need 1,000 subscribers. So by having that next logical video, you make it easy for your viewer to click through and watch your next video. So using cards where you have the little eye on the top and also end cards is a great way. Also have the links in your description as well, just in case they missed it on your cards or end cards. And another top tip is to let people know that there is a card up there. So you'll see me on some of my videos letting you know that there is a card up there to click to watch the video that I'm talking about, or that the link is also in the description below. So let them know that there is a next logical step for them to take so that they can make that decision to click on that by the end of your video. By doing these things, you can get your average views up from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on your videos, and dramatically increase your watch time to get that 4,000 hours. The next step to get that 4,000 hours is by increasing your average audience retention. So in the previous step, we looked at getting more views per viewer. Now we want to look at how to get longer views per viewer. Look at your analytics to see where your videos are dropping off. If there is a constant dramatic drop off on your videos, then that tells you that at that point in the video, your audience doesn't like your content and you need to do something about it. When we work with clients, we're constantly looking at the audience retention on their videos to make sure that what they're saying on the content or how they're saying it is appealing to the viewer, so they watch as much of the video as possible. Your average audience retention graph is one of the most important analytics you should be looking at on a regular basis. Keeping your audience on your videos for longer will also get you more views from YouTube, as you're helping YouTube keep people on their platform for as long as possible. So not only will you get to 4,000 hours quicker, you'll also get more views, you'll also get more impressions from YouTube, and ultimately get more subscribers as well. Before I go into the rest of these tips, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and go live on the Lockdown live stream every Saturday to help you grow your YouTube channel. The next way to get that 4,000 hours of watch time is by making longer videos. Now, when I say making longer videos, I don't mean to put in a lot of fluff and filler just to pad it out so that your videos are just boring. Your videos still need to be as long as they need to be. If you're making 3 or 4 or 5 minute videos and you just try and pad it out to 8 or 9 minute videos with just rubbish, then it will not work. Look at topics that you can create longer videos about. Listicles like this one are a great way to create longer content. If you're giving 10 tips or 20 tips or stuff like that, then people will know how long to expect for your content and they will stick around for longer. We've focused more on that on this channel of late, and we have seen dramatic results. Our watch time is through the roof, and our average audience retention has dramatically increased as well. And because of all of that, we are getting more impressions, we're getting more views from YouTube, because again, we're helping YouTube keep people on their platform, and we get rewarded for that. The next way to get that 4,000 hours is by introducing live streams. Now, if you're not using live streams or are afraid of using live streams, then test it out and see how it goes. I was a little bit nervous about introducing live streams on this channel. I hadn't a clue how it would go until we started them. I quickly found out that people loved them, that we had great interaction, we had a great community here, so we built on that, and now live streams go out every week, and the interaction and the watch time from that is huge. Even if you try a live stream just once a month, it can actually dramatically increase your watch time. If you just have 10 people on your live stream for just 1 hour, that's 10 hours of watch time. If you get 20 people on for 1 hour, then it's 20 hours of watch time, and so on, so on. So you can see by doing these on a regular basis, you can rack up your watch time hours on your channel. Combine this with your evergreen content and trending content uploaded on a consistent regular basis, you can quickly get to your 4,000 hours of watch time. Anyone doing live streams will definitely tell you that they are a great way to grow your channel, grow your audience, and create content. I'll be creating some videos for you about this whole process, what software to use, what tech to use, etc., so that you can create live streams quickly and easy on your YouTube channel. So make sure to watch out for them. The next way to get to that 4,000 hours is by using playlists. I talk about playlists a lot in growing your YouTube channel, and they are a phenomenal way to get more viewers, more watch time, and also more subscribers. Any link that you send people, make sure that the video is in a playlist. By having your videos in a category together in a playlist, people are more inclined to watch more of the same content they're already watching. So if you send someone a link in a playlist, or have the links in your description to a video in a playlist, and they see another video that may be more appropriate to them, they will click on that video in the playlist, which increases your watch time, increases your session watch time, gets more views per viewer, and dramatically increases them to be a subscriber as well. And as well, your playlists can rank in YouTube search too. So as you can see, playlists are a phenomenal way to get more views and more watch time on your YouTube channel. The next way to get that at 4,000 hours of watch time is by uploading more videos. If you're uploading one video per week, then you can definitely look at maybe twice a week, or one video and a live stream. Again, if you're giving your viewers more of what they want, they will come back more than once a week to watch your content. It will also make the YouTube gods that little bit happier that you're adding more content to their platform as well. If you're doing 2 videos per week, you could look at a third, or 2 videos and 1 live stream. With all of this, it has to be sustainable. Don't look at going from 1 to 2 videos, or 1 to 3 videos, or 4 videos, or uploading every day if it can't be sustained. If you're unable to upload content or make content every single day, then don't do it. You're better off sticking with once or twice a week, because it's sustainable, being able to do that for the next year, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., rather than creating content every day and then burning yourself out after 2 weeks. Only do this if you can. It's not a requirement. Using the other tips can help you and make sure that you don't get burned out. And tip number 10 to getting 4,000 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel is pin a comment on your video to links to more videos in playlists. Pinning a comment at the top of your videos will do a number of things. First of all, you can put whatever content you want in there. Not everybody looks in your description to the links to other videos, but you can write a comment and pin it at the top of the comments, so that when people go to leave a comment on your channel, that's the first one they will pass. And as I mentioned before, put links to any videos, especially that logical video that they should watch next. Put that in a playlist so that they have more videos for them to watch. By pinning that comment 24 hours after your video has been released, All those people who have left a comment on your channel will be notified that there's a new pinned comment. This brings them back to your video, gets another view on there, some more watch time. Then they can reply to that comment or click on the link in the comment and watch more videos. And if you have a trending video on something that's just happened, you can go back, put a new comment on all of your videos, pin that to the top, and get more people back to your trending topic, getting even more watch time on your videos. Which one of these 10 tips are you going to implement next? Let me know in the comments area below. I'd love to know what you're going to do and what you're hoping to get from it. Pick one, test it out, get it to work for you, then take another one and apply that too. There are more than enough tips in this for you to get that 4,000 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and go live on Saturdays to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you haven't got your 1,000 subscribers on your channel yet, make sure to watch that video right there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.